Lisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have a 9-year-old, a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1-year-old. Here on my channel, I like to share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around. In today's video, it is a Tiny Tidy Tuesday hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. There will be a link to her channel down below in the description box, along with the playlist. Every week she gets a bunch of content creators together to bring you cleaning motivation, tiny tasks around your home to make a difference for your week and hopefully spark that motivation to continue getting the tasks done. So definitely check out her channel and the playlist down below for all the cleaning motivation and inspiration to tackle your to-do list this week. So as you can see, I am tidying up my kids' bookshelf area. Some of these books are just fun ones to read, and then a lot of them are for homeschool purposes and definitely just developing that reading skill. And every once in a while it gets out of hand because my daughter and the boys too love to come and sit here on the chairs behind and read, but every once in a while it gets out of hand, but that is okay because the books are getting read and I love that. So I just wanted to go ahead and give this a quick tidy, give it a little bit of mom love because my daughter has a hard time putting them back in a great way. And then this is going to spark that love of going to grab the books out again. And yes, we do have a lot of books. We do love books here and we do read these a lot, and I pull them out for different homeschool lessons and such. So as a homeschool mom, can you have too many books? Probably, but let's pretend that you can't for this video. So I'm going to put on some music and then I will be back in a little bit. All right, that looks a whole lot better. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We would love to have you join us here and hopefully inspire you along the way. Definitely check out Sunday Dawn's channel, linked down below, and the playlist for more tiny tidies. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.